Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix unable to delete Outlook data file. This is a common issue that happens when Outlook keeps certain files locked, and by the end of this quick process, you'll be able to remove those stubborn data files without any errors. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. This step is essential because you need to access the file settings from within Outlook itself. Wait for your inbox and all your folders to fully load before moving forward, as this ensures that Outlook has properly connected to your account and all the necessary files are accessible. Once your email has been loaded, navigate to the File menu located on the top part of your screen where your tools and menus are located. Click on the File tab to open up the Backstage view. This is where all the major account and settings options are housed, so it's the starting point for managing your data files. Once the File menu has opened, look at the right part of your File menu and you should see an Account Settings option. Click on it and a drop-down option will appear. From the list of options, click on Account Settings again. This will open a new window that contains all the details about your email accounts and data files. It might take a moment for this window to fully load, so just give it a second to populate all the information. An Account Settings window will appear. From this window, click on the Data Files tab at the top. This tab shows you all the Outlook data files currently associated with your account, including PST and OST files. These are the files that store your emails, contacts, and calendar information locally on your computer. From here, click on Open File Location. This is a crucial step because it directs you to the exact folder on your computer where your Outlook data files are stored. Once you click this, a File Explorer window will open, showing you the physical location of these files. This makes it much easier to locate and delete them directly from your system. Now, before we proceed to the deletion process, there's one important thing you should know. If you look under this window, you'll notice a message stating that all file movements such as copying, moving, and even deletion require that your Outlook is shut down. This is because Outlook locks these files while the app is running to prevent corruption or accidental loss of data. As long as Outlook is open, Windows won't let you delete the file. So all you have to do is close your Outlook app completely. Make sure it's not just minimized, but fully closed. You can check your system tray to ensure Outlook isn't still running in the background. Once Outlook is shut down, go back to the File Explorer window that's still open showing your data files and delete the Outlook data file right away. You should now be able to delete it without any errors or permission issues. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the unable to delete Outlook data file issue by locating the file and closing Outlook before attempting deletion. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.